Welcome back, everybody. We are here at Black Hawk, Colorado, out here at Ameristar. It is currently 2:45 in the morning. We had a little bit of excitement this morning. We're waiting for it to kind of die down. We were asleep up in our room. Luckily, we were only on the 12th floor, and the emergency fire alarm went off, and everybody had to evacuate the building via the stairs. It was really crowded, but everybody worked together and everybody got down the stairs in a safe, calmly manner. Got outside, 7 degrees outside, feels like -11. Typical Colorado cold morning. The fire department came, and it was just a broken pipe in the boiler room is what we were told. Everybody's been allowed back in. There's a ton of people over waiting to use the elevators to get back up to their rooms, so we decided to come over and sit down slot machines and wait for the line to die down and for everybody just to calm down a little bit. Kind of a little bit of an added excitement to our trip. So don't have the tripod or anything. All I did was bring the phone with me. So we're gonna play some quick hit super wheel here and wait for the line at the elevator to die down, and so we can return to our room. But let's see what we can do here. We're gonna max bet at $4. Shout out to the staff here at Ameristar here at Black Hawk, Colorado, and also to the local fire department. They seem to have everything under control and taken care of. When we came out of the emergency stairwell, there was at least 4 or 5 emergency vehicles just outside that one door helping folks, so they were doing a good job. We're looking for 3 of those super wheels to get to spin the wheel up there at the top. Or looking for a bunch of quick hits to hit one of the progressives up there. There's 5 of them for $24.93. Almost. Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Yeah, let's play the wager saver. No, not tonight. Or not this morning, I guess. Thanks for watching guys. We're gonna go check out and see if the line has died down and see if we can't make it back up to our room. We appreciate you watching. You keep watching, we'll keep making them. Don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube and visit and like us on Facebook. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.